Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Research Mindset. Today, we're exploring the world of scientific article writing. While many tutorials cover the basics, today's focus is on a crucial element often overlooked, the discussion section. We will go step by step on how to make your discussion interesting for your reader. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's discuss why the discussion section is so vital. It's not just about summarizing your findings. The discussion is where you interpret results, draw connections, and offer insights. It's the place where the science gets real, so understanding its purpose is crucial. Let's now explain step-by-step guide to writing discussion section of scientific research article. Writing the discussion section of a scientific research article is a critical step that requires careful consideration. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you craft an effective discussion section. Firstly, start with a clear introduction. Begin by restating your research question or hypothesis. Summarize your key findings briefly. Provide context by referring to the literature and the significance of your study. 2. Interpret your results. Interpret your results in the context of your research question. Discuss patterns, trends, or relationships that emerged from your data. Explain unexpected results and consider alternative explanations. 3. Compare with existing literature. Relate your findings to existing literature. Identify similarities or differences with previous studies. Discuss how your results contribute to the current state of knowledge in the field. 4. Address limitations. Be transparent about the limitations of your study. Discuss any constraints, biases, or factors that might have influenced your results. Acknowledge the scope of your study and its potential impact on generalizability. 5. Discuss implications. Explore the broader implications of your findings. Discuss how your results contribute to theoretical frameworks or practical applications. Consider the societal or practical relevance of your research. 6. Consider alternative explanations. Acknowledge alternative explanations for your results. Discuss why you chose a particular interpretation and the rationale behind it. Address uncertainties and areas where more research is needed. 7. Connect with the research question. Revisit your research question and demonstrate how your findings answer it. Emphasize the main points that align with your research objectives. Provide a concise summary of the key contributions of your study. 8. Propose future research directions. Identify gaps or unanswered questions that arose from your study. Suggest areas for future research to build upon your findings. Highlight how your work sets the stage for further exploration in the field. 9. Craft a strong conclusion. Summarize the main points discussed in the section. Emphasize the significance of your study in advancing knowledge. Conclude with a clear statement that ties together the entire discussion. 10. Review and revise. Review your discussion section for coherence and clarity. Ensure that each paragraph logically follows the previous one. Revise language for precision and conciseness. Now, here are some tips from experts to help you achieve effective discussion. 1. Maintain a formal tone. Use a formal and objective tone throughout the discussion section. Avoid colloquial language, contractions, and overly informal expressions. 2. Be clear and concise. Clearly articulate your points without unnecessary complexity. Use straightforward language to enhance reader comprehension. 3. Use precise and technical language. Employ the appropriate scientific and technical terms relevant to your field. Define any specialized terms or concepts that may be unfamiliar to a broad academic audience. 4. Structure your argument logically. Organize your discussion in a logical and coherent manner. Follow a clear structure, such as introducing the research question, interpreting results, discussing implications, addressing limitations, and proposing future directions. 5. Reference previous literature. Integrate references to relevant literature to support your arguments. Clearly indicate how your findings align with or differ from existing research. 6. Support statements with evidence. Substantiate your claims with evidence from your study. Reference specific results or data to reinforce your arguments. 7. Acknowledge contrary evidence. Demonstrate intellectual honesty by acknowledging any contrary evidence. Discuss why you have chosen a particular interpretation while recognizing alternative explanations. 8. Avoid ambiguity. Be explicit and avoid vague or ambiguous statements. Clearly state the implications of your findings without leaving room for misinterpretation. 9. Consider your audience. Keep in mind the academic background of your readers. Balance the depth of technical detail to cater to your specific audience without overwhelming them. 10. Highlight contributions and significance. Clearly articulate the contributions of your study to the field. Emphasize the significance of your findings in the broader context of existing research. Use subheadings effectively. Employ subheadings to break down complex discussions into manageable sections. Guide readers through your argument step by step. Remember, a well-structured discussion elevates your scientific article, making it a valuable contribution to the ongoing dialogue in your field. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us today at Research Mindset, and happy writing!